What's up, everybody? Back down here on the EF sedan project, and today we're gonna go through and try and get all this tree sap off here. So we're gonna try and get all this stuff off. And I come over here and did a little bit of a test. You can still see where the spots were, but these are actually just like faded in the clear coat now, I guess, because you can't feel it. The sap is gone. What I found the best way do this is a razor blade. I put some tape around it so that way it doesn't sit like perfectly flat. You can actually control how deep you go when you push on it. So just scrape it off with that, and then I go back with some alcohol and a rag and clean it the rest of the way. And it seems to be working pretty good. Not perfect. It's like I said in the beginning, you can still kind of tell where all the stuff was, but it is smooth. Definitely looks way better. Clear coat's just faded a bit. But hell yeah, another step down, many to go. But this didn't really take as long as I thought it was going to. So I guess we'll probably try and restore this trim also. Get it back to black. It's kind of faded out and gray. So I'm gonna have to find a product for that. And then the molding over here that's not on the car, that kind of got messed up, I found it in the trunk, so I'll use it as a test piece. And then if that goes well, we'll get everything else all nice and back to how it's supposed to be. We'll figure out something to do for the trim restore, and then pick this video back up whenever we're ready to do that. So, see y'all then. Well, this is what I ended up picking up. Pretty simple kit. But I actually got to thinking about it, and since this car, just kind of waiting till this car's done to be able to like go over on the lift and stuff and make some good progress on it. I'm just kind of doing little things here and there while we have some gaps in this project, you know, like waiting on parts and stuff. And with that, I guess there's not really any reason to do all the trim, since there's still a lot of paint work to do. It's got some dents and whatnot, and the clear coat damage. So instead of doing all the trim on the car, I have this piece that is damaged. And I'm just going to use this as a test piece, since I don't really know how this is going to turn out. and that'll give this some time to like sit and cure and just kind of chill for a little while, and that'll give me a good idea on how this is going to do like more long term before I do it on the whole car. So anyways, we'll go ahead and get started on this. So I'll switch over to another time lapse and get this knocked out. Now we just let it dry for a little while, 5-10 minutes. So once this is dry, we'll do another time lapse and put the final product on it. Well, it's been 20 minutes and I mean, it looks good, but it's nowhere near dry. And here on the scratch where it is dry, it's already like faded again. Definitely did not bring the shine back. You can see right there too, you got like some shiny parts and then some of just exactly how it was, where it's like completely dried. So I'm gonna call this a failure. I'll probably end up just using back to black. I know that stuff works. I was hoping that this would give a better result, but doesn't look like it's gonna work out, judging off that right there. Now if it stayed looking like that, that'd be great. So I guess that's gonna be all for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week for another one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.